So through a friend of a friend, I got connected with Tekto. I already had my own knife, and I wasn't interested in another one. Well, I've been carrying it since 2005 during my Iraq deployment. But I got this, and I wanted to hold true to the commitment that I'd made, that I would try it and use it and give them some feedback. And this has been a fantastic knife, and it's now my everyday carry. When I first picked it up, it was light. I thought it wasn't going to be as durable as my other knife, but it is light. You don't know you have it in your pocket. It's got a nice thin blade that maintains a great edge. I've just sharpened it this week for the first time, really, because we got into some deer with it, and it was great cleaning deer, but a knife gets pretty dull cleaning deer pretty fast. So, I mean, it's light, it's very durable, thin blade, great edge, and you don't know you're carrying it. So I would highly recommend the Tekto, the entire line, really, if this is any indication of what the rest of the products look like.